Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Tech Plus Ovik. Do you guys want to experience Arch Linux or download Arch Linux on virtual machine? Then you are at the right place. First of all, you have to download VirtualBox and Arch ISO. I am attaching those links down below. You can download from there. Then you have to go to your VirtualBox and tap on the new option. Here you have to give a name to your virtual machine. Here I am giving Arch Linux. Then you have to select your ISO which you have downloaded from the Arch Linux website. Okay. Then you have to click on next option. Then you have to increase your base memory size according to your computer and processor numbers rather the number of cores. After that you have to choose disk space. After that you have to click on next and then you have to select the disk size. I am giving it as default. Then click on next. After that you have to click on finish option and then click on settings. Here you have to go to the general tab and then advanced. Here shared clipboard you have to save it as bidirectional and drag and drop also. This will help the copied content from your main computer to the virtual machine. This is very helpful. And then go to display option and increase the video memory size to maximum. Then start the machine. Then click on the first option. Here first of all you have to put Arch install and click enter. In this window, you have to just copy paste everything which I am doing. Just click on install. If you encounter this page, just click on next and it will continue your installing. If you have mistakenly chosen yes, then don't worry. Just type exit and then click on enter. This will bypass this window. After that you have to just type reboot and this will reboot your entire virtual machine. And after that it will turn on your Arch Linux. That's all. Congratulations, you have completed your installation. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.